Hello guys, and welcome to the next video looking at OS X Yosemite. Now, in the last video we looked at continuity, but now the next beta has been released, that's OS X Yosemite Developer Preview 2 and iOS 8 Beta 2. Apple has secretly unveiled a new feature that they showed us in WWDC called Dark Mode. Now, Dark Mode at the moment in the second beta isn't actually available to enable in settings. However, we can take a sneak peek at it using a terminal command to change the defaults. Now, I'll put the terminal commands in the description, and there is one terminal command for enabling dark mode and one terminal command for changing back to light mode. Now, as you can definitely see, it's not finished, and all of the icons are black, and I think we will have some issues with third-party applications, obviously making black icons for a white menu bar, and I don't know, but Apple needs to do something with the menu bar. I would also expect maybe on dark mode to have some sort of darkish mode to Finder or something along those lines, and maybe possibly in Launchpad, maybe some sort of, I don't know. But just a quick look at what dark mode is doing at the moment. The best thing I like about dark mode is when you hit on a menu in the menu bar on dark mode, you get a much nicer look on the effect, especially using the standard Apple Yosemite background. Gives a lovely look at. Well, I just like the colourings. But then obviously, if I open, for instance, Safari, hover that over, then click on dark mode, you can see that you get the same sort of thing, and it's just fades out, but doesn't necessarily fade out the wallpaper, just fades out what's behind it, which is very useful. But to be honest, I think that's about it from this video. I just wanted to give you a quick look at dark mode for people who haven't quite yet got Yosemite. But there are some brilliant places to get it. If you just type into Google, in fact I'll show you whilst I'm here, just type into Google OS X betas download. There are a lot of places to download. For instance, this website here, where you can download OS X betas and iOS betas. You will have to purchase a UDID if you wanted to, but the OS X betas you can just download and install. We have the Developer Preview 2 here. It also works for another website which I have here called AF8, whatever it is. You can click OS X, then OS X Server, Xcode, OS X Yosemite. I'll just check whether it's here or not. No, they haven't updated the new version of the server yet. And there's a couple of other websites do a similar thing. So, hypothetically, you don't have to be an Apple developer to get Yosemite, but it is violating Apple's terms and conditions. So if you do want to get it, please be aware that if you took, for instance, if your MacBook got a hardware fault in it, Apple will probably turn you away because it has Yosemite on it. I mean, it's a beta operating system. They are a bit wary about that, similar to jailbreaking. So anyway, just be careful if you want to install it, but I'll just give you this is a first quick look at Yosemite dark mode. Now hopefully in a couple of weeks Apple will release the next beta, and hopefully we'll get this in settings with some redesigned icons here. So that's all for this video, and I found a way to pause it, which is a little black button there. I'll see you later.